So wait a minute, I want to show you a couple things on this Dustless tile saw before I put it all together so you understand how the system works. So first thing, it comes on its own cart with wheels, so taking it in and out of the job site is a breeze. There's no breakdown or setup assembly needed. Second thing is, it has 4 turbines that collect all the dust. So when you're cutting the tile, all the tile dust goes right into the vacuum and there's no water needed to cool the blade down because the blade stays cool to the touch. Third thing is, it has its own filter on the side, so you take the filter out, you clean it, you put it back in, you're all done. Where's the dust go? It has its own collection system right at the bottom. You click it, you open it, drop the dust out, put it back in, you're all set. The table has 8 ball bearing wheels, so it's super accurate and super easy gliding. Just put it right in place, lock it, won't fall back out, but you can take it right out to clean it. Couldn't be any more convenient than that. The next thing we're going to show you is the blade assembly. Okay, so now for the motor assembly. It's pretty simple to install. It has 4 bolt holes on the motor assembly, which line up with the 4 bolt holes on the frame. It comes with the 4 screws. It even has an Allen wrench so that you can take it apart if you need to repair it and put it together without looking for any tools. Okay, so the last thing to show you is the stand. So we're going to take the stand out of the box and we're going to put the table saw on top of the stand so you can see just how easy it is to set up for a job site. So it's all put together. All you do is open it up fully, set it down firmly on the floor, pick up the table saw, put it into the hooks, and it locks in place. Now you're ready to cut. Okay, so now I'm going to show you just how easy it is to attach the blade motor assembly to the frame. So there's 4 holes that correspond with 4 holes on the frame, and there's 2 guide pins that line up with 2 guide holes on this. So basically, you put it right in place, and you tighten them with the supplied Allen wrench. And that's it. Now we're ready to install the blade. Okay, so the last thing to do is put the blade on the motor. So it's pretty simple. You just take the blade cover off, take the nut and the washer off, get your blade, make sure that you put the blade in with the same direction that the motor's going. Put the washer back on. Then you use the wrench that's supplied with the saw, tighten it up. Lock. Go. Put the blade guard back on. Tighten it up. And you're ready to start.